Welcome to our exciting journey around the globe. In today's video titled, Top 10 Countries Leading the Way in Renewable Energy, we will showcase nations that are making significant strides in harnessing wind, solar, and other forms of renewable energy. From the vast wind farms of Germany to the sun-drenched solar fields of Italy, we look at the powerhouses of green energy around the world. Join us as we explore these forward-thinking nations that are charting the course for a sustainable future. 1. China. Pioneering renewable expansion. China stands as a global leader in renewable energy, with a stellar installed capacity of approximately 1,453 gigawatts, GW, as of 2023. The country has astonishingly outdone its 2030 targets a whopping 6 years early. With non-fossil fuels accounting for 44% of China's power generation by May 2024, the nation is setting an example on the world stage. Solar panels glistening in the sunlight and wind turbines dotting the landscape have become integral parts of China's modern horizon. Imagine a country where renewable solutions cover almost half of the power used. That's China. By aggressively investing in wind, solar, and hydropower, China is not just planning for the future, it's living it now. 2. United States. A melting pot of renewables. The United States follows closely behind, boasting approximately 388 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity. The nation is a melting pot of renewable options, with notable strides made in wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. Imagine gigantic wind farms in the Midwest spinning to meet energy demands efficiently. This diverse portfolio reflects America's adaptability and resourcefulness. The U.S. landscape is dotted with innovative projects, proving that necessity indeed fuels innovation. This diversity in renewable energy makes the U.S. a formidable force in combating climate change. 3. Brazil. A powerhouse of renewables. Brazil is uniquely gifted with natural resources that fuel its renewable energy ambitions, boasting an incredible 194 gigawatts of installed capacity. In 2023, this South American giant produced an astonishing 88% of its electricity from renewable sources. As the leading G20 nation in renewable energy generation, Brazil is truly turning natural gifts into power. From rainforests fostering hydroelectricity to sun-soaked lands perfect for solar initiatives, Brazil has leveraged its ecological wealth to the fullest. This commitment allows Brazil to make significant contributions to the global energy dialogue. 4. India. Where ambition meets innovation. India is a nation on a mission, with a renewable energy capacity standing strong at 176 gigawatts and ambitious plans to escalate this figure to 500 gigawatts by 2030. Imagine acres of sunlit desert lands being converted into solar energy harvesting zones. India's commitment to solar and wind projects illustrates a perfect blend of ambition and innovation to tackle its vast energy demands sustainably. The country stands as a beacon for other nations, showcasing that sustainable development goes hand in hand with renewable energy. 5. Germany. A forerunner in wind and solar. Germany continues its trajectory as a renewable energy trailblazer, with 167 gigawatts of installed capacity. Known for its cutting-edge solar and wind energy technologies, Germany aims to operate on 80% renewable electricity by 2030. Picture sprawling fields with wind turbines and solar panels as far as the eye can see. This commitment is not just about numbers but about ingraining renewable energy into the socio-economic fabric of the nation. Germany's strategies demonstrate foresight and a real commitment to environmental stewardship. 6. Japan. Harnessing the sun and wind. Japan, with about 127 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity, is diligently working to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. The nation is focusing its efforts on expanding solar and wind sectors. Picture rows of solar panels on urban skyscrapers and coastal wind farms harnessing sea breezes. These initiatives echo Japan's mantra of innovation and efficiency that it brings to any challenge. In its quest for sustainability, Japan remains a key player on the world renewable energy map. 7. Canada. Land of hydroelectric abundance. Canada holds approximately 109 gigawatts in renewable energy capacity, drawing from its abundant natural water resources. A striking 67.2% of Canada's electricity production comes from hydroelectric power, painting a vivid picture of Canada's vast lakes and rivers producing clean energy. Visualize cascading river flows turning turbines to generate electricity. This connection between Canada's geography and energy solutions emphasizes an intrinsic understanding of place-based energy opportunities, making it a global leader in hydroelectric power. 8. Spain. Betting big on wind and solar. With about 80 gigawatts of installed renewable energy capacity, Spain is making significant strides in wind and solar power. As it works towards achieving 74% renewable electricity by 2030, the Spanish landscape is transforming with solar farms in its sun-kissed regions. Think of solar panels magically appearing in Valencia's vineyards and wind turbines painting the skies of rustic Andalusia. These efforts not only contribute to Spain's energy independence but also to its economic growth through job creation in the renewable sector. 9. France. Balancing nuclear with renewables. France, with its approximately 69 gigawatts renewable energy capacity, balances its energy portfolio with nuclear and renewables. The country is placing increased focus on ramping up wind and solar energy capacities. Imagine the iconic Loire Valley landscapes now sporting sleek, efficient wind turbines alongside its historical chateau. As France progresses in its renewable journey, these combined approaches help ensure a resilient energy future. France's renewable endeavors work in harmony with its dependable nuclear foundation, offering a roadmap for energy diversification. 10. Italy. Blazing the trail in solar and wind. Italy, boasting roughly 65 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity, is betting heavily on solar and wind energy. As it works towards its target of 55% renewable electricity by 2030, Italy's landscapes are being transformed with wind turbines framing its picturesque vistas. Imagine rolling hills in Tuscany now optimized, not just for grapes but for clean energy too. Installing modern technology while preserving its rich heritage showcases Italy's genius in combining old-world charm with new-age technology. This fusion marks Italy's resolute journey towards a sustainable energy future.